Hello viewers, today we have Thomas number 1 tank engine. We have Percy, the small engine of Sodor Island. And we also have bright red James, which is a tender engine of Sodor Island. And they are all ready for the race. You just saw that Thomas is the winner, that's why I put Thomas on number 1. Then I put number 2 Percy, and then number 3 James. But that was definitely very close. Look at that. Then we are gonna have a silver Hot Wheels as a contestant. A very cool orange Hot Wheel. Finally, the blue one. And you have seen that the orange one was the best one. That is the one that really ran fast, and the rest other also did very well. Thank you viewers, thank you for watching. And thank you viewers, thank you for watching, and please make sure to subscribe, leave a comment and click one of the pictures to see other videos. Thank you.